My name is Klaas. I work at Rami Yokota. I'm going to tell you how to adjust our YZT, the Yokota cordless shutoff impulse wrench. First, we cover a torque range of up to 60 Nm. Setting the torque can be achieved with 3 settings. 1. Mechanical. 2. The speed. And 3. The shutoff values. The shutoff value is a value that we program into the tool. For this purpose, this impulse wrench is equipped with unique electronics that measure the load of each impulse on the motor and gives it a value. This is called the value in the programmer. First, a mechanical adjustment is made on the impulse mechanism. Always remove the battery for this. Rotate the shaft and use the key provided. Find the adjustment screw. If you tighten the screw, the torque increases. If you loosen the screw, the torque decreases. This is the first mechanical adjustment. Use the programming console to set the speed and shutoff value. Turn it on. Open the slide and insert the USB plug. Activate it briefly to activate the programming console. The first display immediately shows the parameter settings. If we activate this display, we first see the switch value, start value, etc. The start value is a value under which no measuring takes place. The second, switch value, is the switching point from the medium speed to the high speed. The third is the cut value, which is the shutoff value. We also have the maximum tolerance, max value. To set it properly mechanically, it's easiest to first set both the start value and the switch value to 10. The cut value, the shutoff value, to 150, and the maximum tolerance to 150 as well. It will not achieve this value, which means you need to release the trigger yourself. If you go to the next page, via Next, you can set the speed. The low speed is the first step of the trigger. The middle speed is the second step of the trigger. The high speed is the switching point when reaching the switch value. I've already set the numbers correctly. The low speed to 1200, the middle speed to 3000, and the high speed to 4800. I have also set the minimum number of impulses to 2 and the maximum number of impulses to 50. Now we will first adjust the torque properly mechanically. To do so, remove the USB cable and close the slide. Make a joint. It lights up red because it has not shut off. Using a torque wrench or a transducer, measure the torque. If the torque is correct, go to the next step, determining the shutoff values. Connect the programming console again. Go to the test mode. Press 4. Press Enter. What happens in the test mode? The test mode shows the value of each impulse. Let's do this. Go back to the main menu. Go to the parameter setting. Press Enter. Search for the cut value. Press Enter. Set the cut value to 103. Confirm with Enter. At the same time, set the maximum tolerance about 10% higher. Disconnect the programming console again. It will shut off and it lights up green. This means it has shut off properly. If the follow-up check of the torque using a torque wrench is correct, then it has been set properly. I would also like to point out the use of the sockets, the black sockets. This is a legal requirement. We always advise the use of sleeve drive sockets when using impulse wrenches. These are longer, are centered on the shaft, and ensure a lower noise level, less vibration, and a more accurate torque. Please check our action catalog. That's all.